Remember what happened when the alarm
Came off? Well, this happened back in time when the Fixies were remembering the same when one of Tom Thomas's chocolate bunnies disappeared. If you'd like to hear the story, you can read along with me in your book. You'll know it's time to turn the page when you hear this sound.
Let's begin now.
One morning, the Fixies were sitting in the table, but suddenly, the door opened. It was Tom Thomas.
Hey there! I'm back! Yoo-hoo!
Wait, maybe there was only one. Tom Thomas objected.
Wait, my chocolate bunny! It was standing right here!
It was since then that it must have been one of the thieves. Simca replied.
You had two bunnies? Are you sure of that?
Tom Thomas had nervously bellowed.
Of course! You think I don't know my ones from my twos?
Huh. Then someone stole one. Unless...
Simca gasped.
You went and ate it yourself!
What is a sleepwalker?
Tom Thomas screamed. Simca objected.
Someone who gets up from his bed at night without waking up. He crosses the room, eats one of his chocolate bunnies, and doesn't remember a thing in the morning.
But in the morning, the bunny was still there.
Regretfully, one of the thieves ate one of the chocolate bunnies, but one of the thieves were not guilty.
Luckily, Simca come up with something to tell Tom Thomas something to catch a thief.
Yeah? Huh. How about... Your mother, could she have taken it? She doesn't like when you're eating too much.
Tom Thomas nervously told them.
No, she doesn't. She says that candy's terrible for my teeth.
And so, to save your teeth from these sweets, she snuck quietly into your room, snatched one of the rabbits,
But Mom's the one who gave them to me as a present. And so why would she take it?
Yeah? Then I just don't know.
Nolik barely accessed.
Well, I do. I think it was your father.
Simca feared him.
He wouldn't steal it. We know he's allergic to chocolate.
Feeling very brave, and exited by all the kidnapping chocolate bunnies story, Nolik Finale wondered and spoke up.
You know, I always thought there was something fishy about those fish. No doubt about it. They stole the bunny.
Tom Thomas cared for all the suspicious fish that took one of Heist's chocolate bunnies.
And then they hid it in their aquarium.
Simca looked.
Oh, no, like that's funny.
She turned to Tom Thomas.
You know what, Tom Thomas? You need to protect that other chocolate hair.
Tom Thomas' bravery was ready.
Exactly. It has to be eaten right away, now, before it disappears.
Just then, Simca came up with an idea.
Just wait a little. You don't have to eat it. Let's think of something else. Of course, we need a security alarm.
Tom Thomas nervously questioned.
Need what?
First of all, Simca explained that the alarms were set in cars, safes, and homes, and even the alarm. It was since that later that night, the criminal was the troublemaker. At that last moment, the police were on their way. But unfortunately, Tom Thomas has something in his fellings,
But where can we get
warning the alarm
ourselves
was
a
his
security
electronic
alarm?
construction kit. Nolik finally believed.
You have an electronic construction kit, remember?
Tom Thomas thought it was crazy, but he agreed.
You're right!
Simca understood.
Then bring it over here.
Scattering all over the place, Tom Thomas and the Fixies worked together. Tom Thomas's electronic construction kit was ready to be set. Under their communication, the alarm was ready. After finishing, the Fixies finally said their Fixies victory call. Grampus explained the most invegery things of fixing things that are broken. For a moment, he explained that the real Fixie's victory call was tidies, and even the most was because it was time to repair. That was under its own accuses before every Fixie would fix everything in the things. First, you needed to find out what was broken. And second, understand why it broke. And third, repair what was broken, so it worked again.
First, you need to find out what's broken. Second, understand why it broke. And third, repair what's broken so it works again. So do what the Fixies do. First, find it. Second, understand it. And third, fix it. Tadoosh! It really is a great word, and it sounds funny. But we Fixies surely like it a lot.
Simca proudly continued to get ready and wait for the fight to be catched.
Well, Tom Thomas, turn on the alarm.
Unable to get to the point, Tom Thomas had it.
You sure the alarm will work?
Simca proudly said to Tom Thomas.
I'm sure, without a doubt.
Tom Thomas turned on the alarm and hid while the Fixies ran. Tom Thomas hid under his blanket.
Lucky ran to the edge of the forest, tooting along the way. His toots were not loud enough, but he kept trying. Suddenly,
I'm okay, Mommy. But my from
The door opened and the shadow appeared.
It wagged out.
Mommy. But my from I'm okay, 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 Mommy.
Suddenly, Tom Thomas came out of his blanket and shouted biologically.
You're under arrest.
The Fixies were driving in the police car and shouted.
Please!
A dog turned its head. It was
Chusaka.
Tom Thomas pointed to Chusaka with his flashlight.
Chusaka? Why are you stealing my chocolate?
Chusaka sat down, but she wasn't the troublemaker.